My second box of RocksBox got here today, and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. So here is the RocksBox box with the beautiful little bow and the rose gold letters. So the first thing I pull out is the care card. This tells you how to take care of the jewelry. So this little booklet just tells me the price of each piece of jewelry. I love how well they package the little box. It always feels like I'm opening up a present. Here are the 3 little bags that each piece of jewelry comes in. Sometimes they all say RocksBox. Sometimes they come in the name of the brand. Sometimes they just come in little black ones. So let's take a look inside. Here is the first little RocksBox baggie. I love how well they package each piece of jewelry to make sure that it arrives safe and not broken. So here is this first necklace, very pretty gold, and it's long. Here is the second little RocksBox bag. This is a beautiful little rose gold dainty necklace with a little leaf with diamonds on it. This is really pretty. Here is the last little baggie. Here are these beautiful little rings. I'm going to show you in natural daylight what they look like. They are so pretty. I love the blue sapphire and the diamond. I think these look so pretty with this tennis bracelet that I also got from RocksBox. I love how the diamonds go all the way around the rings. You can either wear them separate or together. It looks beautiful. I really do love the jewelry. Down below is a link so that you can get a free month of RocksBox. You can get multiple boxes in 1 month. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.